Hello everyone. If you are facing the Yahoo Mail temporary unavailable error and your mail is not opening, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you an easy and working solution. Firstly, open the Chrome app. Now, search for help.yahoo.com. Now, scroll down and click on Contact Us. From here, tap on Account. Click on Mail. Now, now click on Mail app for Android and select anyone. After this, click on Enter your Yahoo ID and enter your ID, and after this, tap on Get Started, and yeah, that's it. And if you still face the problem, you can also report this issue directly from the Yahoo Mail app by using the help and send feedback option. And yeah, that's it. And thanks for watching.